Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use the pagemarker extension to annotate things on your desktop. So you should have a pagemarker extension in your extension bar up in Chrome. This is what it looks like. It allows you to choose a color and a drawing tool and a size of the drawing tool. If you do not see it in your extension bar, there should be a puzzle piece. You click that, it shows all the active extensions that are either pinned or not pinned up here in your extension bar, and you can make sure that it's pinned. It might be down here, but you want to make sure the blue pin is lit up so that it shows up at the top. Once it's on there, then what you can do is be looking at either website, like at a math manipulative website, or you could be looking at a PDF on your desktop, or like I'm doing, I'm looking at a slideshow, which is a PowerPoint. So I'm just going to make this like a little bit bigger, like that. So if I was presenting this to students, it would be very clear for them to see. And then I can choose the page marker tool, and then I could annotate on this with the kids. So if a student was telling me they saw the 2 at the top, and then they saw the 3 underneath as a group, and 2 plus 3 equals 5, that might be one way to see these. And then I can clear it. And then I could record another student's thinking. Maybe they saw this group of 4, they recognized that, and then they added 1 to that. Okay, and so that's how you could use the page marker tool on anything you're looking at on your digital desktop, a PDF, a slideshow, or even a website manipulative.